Hello everyone, in front of me is TECNO Spark Go, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then go to passwords and accounts and click on plus icon, add account. Select Google, make sure that you've got your network connection active, and enter email or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address, and click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is. Click on next. And now mark if this device is yours or if it's configured for your kit. Then tap on next and read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also the privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, just tap on I agree. Tap on more than, accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added and you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.